you make. Right now I made spaghetti. That's a great little machine for those people who like spaghetti, maybe once or twice a week. I like spaghetti. Takes you no time to make it. I do sell them. They're $24.95. I don't know, right now I can get a whole bunch, but I don't know how long they'll be in stock because the company went out of business. So if you want to get it, get it. There's another machine, a spiralizer. I think this is a lot easier. It seemed like it's hard, but once you get used, it's seconds. Okay, as far as tomato sauce, I just happen to have some beets in here.
Oh, conveniently.
What? Yeah, so I put olive oil, about 4 ounces of olive oil. What we're going to do, put some beets in it. Keep in mind, that's why I like you see why I like the Vitamix? It's minutes. If you don't have a Vitamix and you don't have the money, don't get it. But if you do have the money, I would get a Vitamix. Or if your machine breaks, say your blender breaks, because if you're doing smoothies every day, guaranteed it's going to break. If you have cancer, you got to get a Vitamix. If you have a major disease, you got to get. There's no way around that. Juices, smoothies. I like blended drinks better because of the a high green content and also the fiber. Your juice, there's no fiber. How hard's that? Then what I do is maybe add some tomatoes. Okay. Whatever you like for the sauce.
A lot of tomato?
Yeah. Maybe some olives. Maybe a few more. And maybe some mushrooms. Well, whatever you want. Whatever you want. It's your soup. Whatever you like, that's what you add. If you go to a restaurant, you go to Purity and Spirits, it will cost you $75 for a bowl of soup. Here it's free.
Do you ever use jalapeno?
No. The rule of thumb, I told you one more time. This is my rule of thumb. Number 1, grown in nature. I'm not saying I'm wrong. I'm not saying I'm right. The better your body gets, the more and more pure your body gets, the body will reject it automatically. Number 1, grown in nature, found in a tree, bush, or vine. Number 3, if eaten in large quantity, in a raw state. And it should be organic. In a blender. This needs a little bit more water. Tomato sauce, how long did it take to make?
Maybe a half hour. I've never made it.
No, right here. How long?
That one?
Done. So you have spaghetti, tomato sauce. How many meals did I make in an hour and a half? A lot. And I talked a lot too, didn't I? A lot of good information. Talked a lot of good information. That's our, and then the only thing we have to do is serve it. That's the hard part. Maybe how are we going to serve this? Maybe get some paper plates, knives and forks, and everybody can help themselves.
Cliff bars, energy bars.
What about it?
They are.
They're cooked.
I didn't know.
I won't serve them here. I won't sell them here.
Serve somebody.
I just serve some. I serve all house snacks. I don't know why, but generally when people ask me to eat it, my bar is the biggest seller here. My waist for my banana is my biggest seller here. We can't make them fast enough, can we? People buy 5, 10 at a time. The the banana bar you just tasted, it's live. It's not cooked. You take a Cliff bar, you even take the Al snack bar. Oops. Now it's all organic, right? But it's processed. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's all organic, but it's processed. As soon as you process it, you lose the vitamins, the minerals, you lose all the nutrients from it.
I travel a lot, and if I travel by car, I take my Vitamix. If I don't, almost every motel and hotel has a blender now.
Go to the kitchen and ask.
Yeah. Or the bartender. They have one. They'll let you. I live on smooth. It's just about I bet it's 90% of my day.
Really?
How long was your transition though, before you got to that?
Transition before I went.
Well, when you were
I was
in-
diagnosed with cancer in '93, said I'd be gone in a year. I went vegetarian, then vegan, and then Off and on, I've been raw since then, but I'm very careful about what I eat. I work 8 to 10 hours a day physically. I go to school, and I exercise and work out.
Your energy becomes limitless. When you're 65, 70 years old, you should be rocking. 80 years old, you should be rocking. 90 years old, you should be rocking. Not walking, you should be rocking. You should be running with a 20-year-old, no problem.
But I like it. I'm getting gray around here. It's coming back. My beard's turning dark, and my hair's coming in.
Yeah, we have two women. One was 65 years old. Her gray hair went back to black. And we have another woman who's 57, 58. Her hair went back to black. Not saying it's 6, 7 months, 8 months.
About a year.
Here.
I mean,
It's off and on. I just kind of go over my body, so.
It's been about 2 months, but I'm 90% raw even when I'm not.
Any other questions?
No grain.
Okay, that's the end of class. Yeah. Yeah, okay. If you didn't pay, just pay at the end. In the meantime, I have to clean up. Thank you for coming. Movie's over.